Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's powerful lesson on the most useful English sentences for everyday life. In this video, you'll learn simple sentences you can use anywhere, at home, work, school, or when traveling. Do you want to speak English naturally and confidently? This lesson is perfect for you. We'll start slow, then build your confidence step by step. Make sure to watch until the end. I have a surprise bonus for you. Don't forget to like this video to support our channel. Click subscribe so you never miss a daily lesson. Comment below. I'm ready to speak English. I'll reply to you. Grab a notebook. Let's start learning. You're about to change your English life. Paragraph 2. Think about how many times you wanted to say something but couldn't find the words. That ends today. This lesson gives you simple, powerful sentences you'll use every single day. You'll speak faster, sound natural, and feel confident talking to anyone. Every sentence I teach today is practical and easy. We'll go step by step so you never feel lost. First, I'll teach the sentences. Then, we'll practice speaking together. Finally, I'll give you a challenge at the end. Stay with me and let's speak English now. Are you ready? Let's go. Paragraph 3. Here's how we'll do it. 1. I'll say a sentence slowly. 2. You'll repeat after me. 3. I'll give you an example of using it in real life. This method makes you learn faster and remember longer. Speaking English isn't about memorizing grammar, it's about using sentences daily. By the end of this video, you'll know at least 20 useful sentences. You'll feel proud of yourself and ready to speak. Keep your energy high and focus on pronunciation. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's start speaking English like a pro. Let's jump in. Section 2. Teaching. Paragraphs 4 to 7. Paragraph 4. Let's start with greetings and polite phrases. These sentences will make you sound friendly and confident. Hello. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. Check mark. Nice to meet you. Check mark. Excuse me, may I ask you something? Could you please help me? Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a great day. Check mark. See you later. Practice them daily. They're simple but powerful. Now, repeat after me. Paragraph 5. Now, let's learn sentences for shopping and daily life. How much is this? Check mark. Can I try this on? Do you have this in a different size? Where can I find this item? I would like to buy this. Please, check mark. Can I pay with a card? That's too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? I'll take this one. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Paragraph 6. Let's move to restaurant and food sentences. Check mark. Could I see the menu, please? I'd like some water. Can you recommend a dish? I'll have the chicken, please. Check mark. Can I get this without onions? This tastes great. Check mark. Could I have the bill, please? Check mark. Can I pay in cash? Thank you, everything was perfect. I'll come back again. Paragraph 7. Finally, let's add travel and transportation sentences. Where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the airport? Check mark. Could you show me on the map? I'd like to book a ticket. What time does the train leave? How long does the trip take? Check mark. Can I have a window seat? Do I need a reservation? How much is the fare? Thank you for your help. Section 3. Practice. Paragraphs 8 to 11. Paragraph 8. Let's practice speaking together now. I'll say a sentence and you'll repeat after me. Say it loudly and clearly. Hello, how are you today? Repeat. Excuse me, may I ask you something? Repeat. Thank you so much. Repeat. Great job. Speaking out loud is key to fluency. Repeat these sentences every day for 1 week. They'll become natural and automatic. Your goal? Speak without thinking. Let's keep practicing. Paragraph 9. Now try some shopping sentences. Can I try this on? Repeat. I would like to buy this, please. Repeat. That's too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? Repeat. Well done. Speaking confidently at stores will make you feel powerful. English is about confidence, not perfection. Always smile when you speak. It makes communication easier. Keep practicing every day. You're doing great. Paragraph 10. Let's try restaurant sentences. I'd like some water, please. Repeat. Could I have the bill, please? Repeat. Thank you, everything was perfect. Repeat. Fantastic. Imagine you're at a restaurant speaking with confidence. These sentences help you travel anywhere easily. Remember, English is a tool, not a test. You're getting better every second. Now let's do travel sentences. Paragraph 11. Where is the nearest bus stop? Repeat. How do I get to the airport? Repeat. Can I have a window seat? Repeat. Perfect. You're learning real-life English step by step. Repeating sentences every day will train your brain. Soon you won't need to translate. You'll just speak naturally. This is how fluency begins. Keep going. You're amazing. Section 4. Engaging outro. Paragraphs 12 to 15. Paragraph 12. Wow, you did an incredible job today. You learned powerful English sentences for daily life. From shopping to restaurants, you're ready for anything. But this is just the beginning. English fluency takes daily practice. Set aside 10 minutes every day to repeat these sentences. Soon you'll sound confident and natural. Keep a notebook and write them down. Review them every night before sleeping. That's how you'll master English. Paragraph 13. Remember, speaking English is not about perfection. It's about communication and confidence. People will understand you even if you make mistakes. So speak boldly and enjoy the process. Confidence grows with practice. You're not just learning English, you're building a life skill. These sentences are your passport to the world. Practice them in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself in English daily. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Paragraph 14. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below. Which sentence was your favorite? Share your favorite phrase so I can reply to you. Your comment helps you practice typing in English. It also helps other learners see your progress. We're building a community of confident English speakers. When you comment, you motivate others. So don't be shy. Write something today. I read and reply to every comment. Let's support each other on this journey. Paragraph 15. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for daily lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a class. Share this video with a friend learning English. We grow faster when we learn together. Check out my playlist for more real-life English lessons. You're doing amazing. Keep practicing every day. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep smiling.